All right, guys, we're out here today with
Angel.
Angel from the
East 14th gang.
We're out here at the East 14th skate park. It has a different name, but that's what we call it. We're gonna teach you some tricks. So how long have you been skating for?
About 3-4 months.
That's it? 3-4 months?
Yeah.
Dang, you're good for 3-4 months.
I have ollies on down.
Okay, so now you're gonna show us all your tricks. Start with riding, do some ollies, do all the stuff you can. We gotta get Angel a new board. Okay, good. Pushing, a little tic-tacs. What we like about Angel is that he's going fast. For a brand new skateboarder, he's flying. Oh, roll up the bank to fakie. Good, good. Tic-tac. And boom, ollie.
That's all I know.
That's all you got?
Yeah.
That was good, Angel. That was very good. The first thing is I'm gonna teach you. This will be hard, really hard, but you have to, well, you don't have to, but you push what's called Mongo push.
Yeah, I
know. You know what that means? With the back foot. Try it with the other foot. So Mongo, for those of you who don't know, is when you push with your front foot, and then it doesn't really matter. It's sort of like a point of style, but if you, like early on in your skateboarding, if you can start doing it the other way, it will help you later, because when you push and then you step on, now you have to do this additional step of readjusting your feet. Whereas if you push from your front foot, your back foot just goes onto the tail, you're ready to pop. Try just push with the back foot. This can be really hard.
Because I could push regular. I like regular too.
Show me. Okay, okay, you got that.
But I feel more comfortable as Mongo.
You feel more comfortable at Mongo?
Yeah.
Because you've practiced it so much.
Because my brother told me, or he used to ride.
Yeah.
And he told me not to ride like that and I didn't listen.
It's okay. Like, it doesn't actually matter. The only point is it's a point of style, and then when you push with your back foot, just boom, back foot straight to the tail, then you can pop and do the trick. Okay, so what trick do you want to learn?
I want to learn pop shove it.
Pop shove it, just straight to the shove it?
Yeah.
The East 14th skate gang is killing me today. Everybody wants to pop shove it. Okay, you got it. Should we run through the practice steps, or you just want to try?
I just want to try it, because I kind of get it.
Yeah.
But like, I just don't land.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna run through the practice steps. For anybody watching this that wants to learn how to do a shove it, we're gonna show them. Have you ever landed a shove it?
I landed once, but it was like, I had my heel on it.
It wasn't as good as you wanted.
No.
So the first practice step is all about your back foot, and you're gonna sort of curl your toes under. These shoes are so horrible, I'm sorry, people of the internet. My doctor says I have to wear the Hokas. That's all I'm allowed to wear. And you just shove it straight back. Straight back. The tail doesn't make it easier for you. Yeah, good. You got that motion really well. That's really good. You're a natural born skateboarder. Okay, now the next one, step on with your front foot, like leave it on, front foot on, and you're gonna jump off with your back foot and leave your front foot on. That make sense?
Like that, or?
Exactly opposite.
Oh.
So leave this foot on, this foot will stay, the back foot will jump off. Exactly. You have drilled it in so much. It's really funny to see that. So exactly opposite. Leave that front foot on. And I'm glad we did the practice step, because this is really important. That was good. Do it again. Let me see if I can do it. Actually, this might be dangerous for me. Back foot, and your point of control, the thing you want to avoid on shove-its is you want to avoid it going like this. And the way you do that is that you leave your front foot on, and it should be like all your weight's on this front foot. You just jump up and it just rotates like that. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
So the way we practice that is like this. Ow! I definitely should not have done that.
Ooh. So this one stays and this one.
Just this front foot, leave it on. The back foot, take it off. Okay, I'm gonna do another practice step just for you. So you're gonna have we're gonna practice just this. Front foot on, I'm gonna do it your way. So your left foot forward, you're gonna be like this, and then you're just gonna go like this, okay? 5 times. Step off back foot, 1, again, 2, again, 3, 4, and 5. You got that?
Yeah.
Now do the shove it and step off just like that. You got it, Angel. Good. Do it again. You really drilled that in. Good, good. Just like that. That's really good. Again, run it back. We got like scooters flying around you, all kinds of stuff. Good. Good, that was good. That was it right there. Because your front foot stayed on there, your back foot came off, and you got it. Good. Okay, that was good. Okay, that was perfect. Now, you know what you're gonna do?
Try and put this
You're
back.
gonna bend your back knee and put it on. You've already been practicing that, honestly, so I think this will come very easy to you. Bro, you've drilled this in. This is what we call chicken foot. This foot has been like practiced to just go to the ground as your safety. Now, no more safety. You're not safe, we're in the danger zone. Bend your knees, just land both feet on the board. Okay, that was good. It's almost like an unconscious thing. There it is!
I almost had it. That's how I landed it.
Let's go! Okay, we're gonna get the chicken foot away. I'm gonna hold your hand and you're gonna put both feet on. This foot, on the board. There it is.
I had it.
Okay, you got it. There it is! Let's go, Angel! Should I show you one?
I think I got it.
You got it, Angel. Angel, let's go. Just leave that front foot on that board.
I almost had it.
Okay.
Nope.
Yeah, really shove that back foot. Yeah, you got it. Yeah! Okay, let me show you that. That scooter just about took us both out. Okay, look, bend your knees. You're going down, pop up. You leave your front foot on the board just like that. If you leave your front foot closer, it'll help you more. But you see that was a land. Good, again. Good. Should have done a challenge, you versus Eric.
We want to ollie on that little curve.
Yeah, they want to do a contest to see who can ollie on the curb faster. Bro, you got this. Put the front foot on. I did it. Let's go, Angel. There it is. He's just like Eric. He gets so excited and then he doesn't breathe anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, keep that front foot on that board. Back foot, so all your weight's here. Just jump up a little bit, slide the back foot back. That makes sense?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's so funny because actually to land the trick perfectly, you need to do less than you're doing.
Less?
Yeah, it's like easier than what you're doing. So just leave your front foot very close to the board. Only scoop your back foot. Your back foot scoop looks really good. Your front foot is doing too much. Almost lazy with it. Aaron, do not. Aaron,
Be careful.
okay, I'm gonna do a similar thing we did with Eric. Stand on your front foot, just off the board. Front foot,
Front foot.
all weight, and then jump. Now, again. Okay, now again, and then we're gonna do a little scoop. Okay, again. Okay, now the sequence is this foot goes into the air, then this foot scoops.
Oh.
Do it again. Good, again. Good. Now, you see how you're landing on this foot too?
Yeah.
Same thing on the board. Good. Again, now this back foot, when it scoops, you're gonna bend that knee up high. Okay, good. Don't even bend this knee up high, just the back one. Okay, we're gonna see if I can do this without re-injuring my foot. No break, gang. East 14th. All my weight on the front foot. Even like, look at my back foot. See how it's just like dangling?
The grind don't stop.
You said the grind don't stop? Yeah. There it is! Leave that front foot on the board. Good, Angel. Leave it on there. Front foot on the board, very important. Straight to the grip tape. There it
I
is!
had it.
That was good. The board is popping so good and it's spinning so well. Now it's all about the commitment. Right now it's all in your head. It's a mental barrier. Good. I'm gonna do one final adjustment. The final countdown. Doo-doo. Stand on the board. Now with this back foot, put your back heel up and then your toes down. And now just straight that way. Good.
Oh.
A little more like your back toes are gonna go like this.
Okay.
Good. Do that twice as fast and you got a perfect shove it. Let's go, varial flip. Good. Do it again. Dude, bro, you're killing me with that. You're killing me. I'm just kidding. You're good, you're good. Boosh. There it is! Okay, we need to get your friends. We need to add the pressure. When he lands it, you guys gotta go wild. Are you nervous? Wait, wait, wait. You got it?
Yeah.
You got that! You're the best! You're the better angel.
That was actually sick. Let's go, Angel!
Wait, your name?
Your name's Angel?
Angel.
Go.
Okay, you got it?
Yeah.
You feel good about that?
Yeah.
You want to do it again or you got it?
One more time?
One more time.
One more time for the people?
Oh my.
All right, I was sick. Very well done. Thanks for coming out here and shredding with us. Tell the people how they can learn how to ride a skateboard.
You just have to commit. Don't have chicken leg.
Don't do that.
It's just a mind game at that point.
It's true.
That's it.
That's it, boy. Very well done. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we hope you, yes you, are out there learning how to ride a skateboard and having an absolute blast. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.